Welcome! In front of me I have ULEFONE Armor 3W, and today I will show you how easy we can change the notification bar icons. So at first we have to open notification bar and then tap right here on this icon. And as you can see right now, we can easily change the icons. So for example, if you want to change these icons, you want to get, for example, location in the upper section of the screen, you have to click hold and then drag this icon. And if you want to get additional icons, for example, you would like to get maybe the focus mode, click hold and then drag, the same like with the location. And also we are able to take off this icon. So let's go for the ring and then drag it right here. And as you can see, that's how we can make it. Of course, when you go back, it will be saved. And that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!